room for them to kind of scoop it if they need. Probably about 80 yards or so from the den. I'm gonna sit here for as long as it takes until one comes back. And then I'm gonna shoot in the